Good morning, everyone. This is GC Stripes, and we are off to the Wheels and Wings car show this morning. A little too early, but yeah, let's get this on the road.
Love me. Should be doing that because people can see the license plates. One set. Starts tomorrow. And then he'll come back for whatever his name is, and then they'll bring him to the factory. There's a lot more chapters than that one. See, look how many red lights are running.
No, not those red lights.
No, not those red lights. They made us leave because we left. Ice fishing isn't really. That looks nice.
I don't know where we're going. Oh, there's somewhere though. We are here.
You say completely clean in that restroom? There's maggots in the toilet.
Ew, gross.
There's maggots squirming
Let's hope
around
not.
like wet dog poop.
Is that the old airport here at Fort McMurray?
Why?
There's a few cars here right now, not much.
Okay. I'm never gonna forget that. I'm never going to forget.
Ooh, yummy. Waffles?
I'll think about it. Not right now.
Oh, yes.
Ice cream, we got burgers and dogs, we have the barbecue. There's a bunch of great cars.
Oh yeah, she should come to this event. Well, I'll take a
We do
picture.
have people's choice voting, so
Well, the car show is obviously over because I am home, but it was a good day. No rain, weather was pretty good. Lots of nice cars, a lot of old cars mainly, but it's a good day all in all. They didn't win anything today, but maybe next time. But yeah, so that was a wrap, and hopefully you guys enjoyed the show and the video. If you do, like and subscribe. That'd be much appreciated. And until next time.